Hi you guys, John Masterson 60, Anthony Perica. Just having a break. Right now we're gonna have some chicken wings, some mashed potatoes, and some chicken poppers for lunch. Gonna sit here and just do a video with you guys about my day so far. It's been really hectic. We're cleaning up a lot at Walmart. I'm a little bit hungry. We've been really cleaning up a lot. But we take a good fair amount of breaks too. It's not like they work us to death. Not at all. But I'm the older guy, so I just complain a little bit. They're always like, Anthony, you okay? They're always asking me. Yeah, sure. For now. We go for now. But the potatoes are really good. They seem like real potatoes too. They're not the Walmart deli. The white gravy, of course, is like a flour-based gravy, but it still tastes really good food. You know, wholesome food, like homemade. Kind of like home food, you know. I love potatoes, man. They love me too. Here's one of the chicken wings. A pretty good size. Pretty good size wing. Here we go. I brought a towel with me. But pretty good lunch. That's usually what I'll get. As long as I have a protein source, you know, it's just a little meal. So, and it's good. I'm not at the Walmart supercenter. I'm just taking my break right now, guys. I got some chicken wings. I got some poppers. Thank you for subscribing. Almost 200. Let's go. We need 4 more.